Return to field and pain. The gates are open. Anger, hate, fear, chaos, darkness, evil, hell. The gates are open. Gate 1, darkness, the world of demons. Look around you, they're everywhere. Gate 2, my guards are watching you. Gate 3, only evil lives here. Gate 4, there's no way out. Gate 5, feel the fire. Gate 6, pick up your weapons and fight. 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 And dance with the devil. The gates are open.
Alright, what's gapping? Said I'd start off with a quirky tune for the crack. So what a day yesterday has been. GGII. Holy Mother of God. Look at that for a move. So I'm not trading at the moment. I'm still waiting for my Quest trade account to open. If I had a trade zero, if I had funds in my trade zero account, I could have taken the trade as it crossed 10 cents. Trade zero allows you to trade stocks only over 10 cents. And I mean, who's to say that this isn't going to continue into tomorrow? Or sorry, today now. But I'd be a little bit more tentative about taking a long position than I would have been yesterday. I was trying to paper trade it long here. It was moving quite fast. You know, if I had got a fill, the simulator didn't fill me, but that's because Thinkorswim simulator is weird. It's like, it's giving me the minus 15-minute charts, but it seems to be like the orders are acting as if it's in real time. So if I put the order in here at say let's say for argument's sake 0.55, and then if it's not at 0.055 in the real time at that time, I don't think it fills. It's kind of weird that way. That's what I think is going on with the how to fill the orders on the simulator. So I guess it was when I was looking at the simulator yesterday here, and I could see my order was not filling, I guess I could have reasoned that it's either just gone down and not in that area, or it's gone up and it's area for the fill. Anyway, main thing is that it has this shotgun pattern, and it's closed very high, and it's looking very bullish, and it is an OTC stock, so you know it is in the cannabis sector, which could start to run. So well, we'll see what happens. GVSI ran yesterday as well. To new highs, so you know this is really cool to see these OTC runners go so far like this, I want to have a look at the Yahoo, see what came up on my screeners yesterday, because I was at work yesterday for a large part of the day. So this is all just catch up here, just to stay on in touch with things. I know they're still talking about the Dogecoin, so I mean, I'm still holding my Dogecoin, my $200 position from 53 cents, and price. Where is Yahoo? Is kind of does the job for me. It's alright. Right at my entry, so I'm break even still. That's fine. Who cares in a way, but back to the main thing. So there's some great OTC runners. I want to get the VWAP on this chart. It's really annoying me that it's, where is it? Upper studies, trend studies. Edit. If I get rid of the top and bottom line, I'd be happy. Don't show it, don't show it, don't show it. Apply that. There we go. Aha. Nice. Alright, so what a move. That's all I can say, is just nice. That's a 100% move from 50 to 105. So what portion of that could I have captured? I mean, well, into the close, probably this. I add here. So how would I like to play this again? I'm just going to get the daily chart up here so we can get a reminder what was happening. So I'm going to get rid of some of this stuff here now. So this is a clean breakout here and continuation into the second day, which is really amazing. And GVSI is doing something very similar, so this is a definite to watch, I would say, going off what happened with GGII yesterday. So I would be looking to get in long on GVSI today at the open. If it's, as long as it opens up around here, and see how that goes. Could just wait a few minutes, like what happened here, and just wait for the pullback, and maybe then get in on continuation and the morning breakout. So I'd be maybe looking for something like that on a GVSI. It did happen yesterday as well, in a sense, a bit the art, which can happen. It does gap up, pulls back a bit, and kind of it's making its mind up, but it's a higher low there. So you know, getting in here isn't a bad play. And they just seem to be working at the moment. These OTCs, So yeah, that's a break there, I guess. You know, it's not quite broken yet, so it's tricky. You know, if you're either going to go off the break of the morning high, or you wait for the multi-day resistance. So let's see. Yeah, I mean, there. You could ignore it, you know, you could just go off the close. So the close here is 0.0435. So that's the highest close basically. 0.0435 and 0.044. So yeah, get in there, and you've made, what's that, 20%? If you're holding it, you're up 20%. And that's really nice as well. And the potential gap low here again today on GVSI, and I'm really looking forward to watching how that plays out. So that's GGII and GVSI. That's really cool. What's happening there with those stocks, and you know, there is ultimately going to be a final update with these, and the question is you know, the comeback, the backside, how is it going to happen? So this is all relatively new to me, watching these OTCs play out from start to finish. I'm very happy that we have some live examples, that I have this to go by. Obviously, it would be better if my broker was set up and I could you know, be trading them, because that's an even better experience. But I also want to just check and see what else showed up on my screeners yesterday, and I'm sure there's one or two interesting ones. There's a few other ones as well I wanted to see. Was it EXLA? No. Or GBP. I have a note here written for bounce continuation. Look for bounce continuation. Oh yeah. So this was a little bounce here. I look for a continuation. So that didn't happen really on that. That was the bounce, little bounce day. And I suppose if I had gone over here, you could be looking to go long on a day of kind of a bounce continuation day. So something like here, bounce, and then if it goes a bit further, but it hasn't happened yet. Every up day has been met with a red day. So that's that. And then there was, let me check my notebook again. CV, yeah, I think this was well dead. CBBT, yeah. But there was something else which is annoying me now. It was ELRA or something. ELRA, if I remember, was it? Yeah, there it is. So ELRA, esports and stuff. GMGI was the same. It was being, people were trying to link it with GMGI, which has broken out. It's looking okay. ELRA. I need to write that in my notebook. A. Yeah, and there was TONR, I think, as well. So not bad. Had a morning spike. Didn't do much else. Didn't hold VWAP, and continued but didn't. So there's an example of one that doesn't hold its, it ends up coming down by the end of the day. So you know, it's tricky. Some of them go and some of them don't. GGII went. You know, it went and it held. So even here, like, you know, when it's doing this, you could be tempted here to get in long, and you'll be left holding. So it's tricky. Sometimes it's a time frame thing. Best to wait till the afternoon after the morning spike, because the midday can just be not usually a time when it will break out, I would say. But that's that. You can still take advantage of a morning spike here from 0049 to 0071. I mean, that's a big move. So plenty of potential, you know. Then TONR, one that was, yeah, it's moving nicely as well. So this is in my what do I call this bracket again? Sub penny. So this will be in my sub penny stock filter. So I should be seeing ELRA and TONR on this list. I'll be happy if I do, because that means my system for screening is working. ELRA is there and TONR is there. So that's good. Usually to narrow it down, then I will sort by volume, highest to lowest, ELRA, and then I will go down the lists. So GNCP, GNCP. So study this sub penny. Alright, so I need to subtract this. Okay, so OTC sub penny. So I'm just writing sub penny in my notebook, my OTC notebook, and see which ones are the ones to be watching. So ELRA, what is GNCP doing? For me, that's just keep on watch, but nothing major. But the TONR, definitely. TONR. Okay. I mean, like with GNCP, it's definitely keep watching it for, you know, for something to trend. If it keeps setting higher lows, it could be a good one. And what else? So I've been going for nearly 20 minutes. I'm going to leave it at that. Thanks.